All right, it is Trey back again, another late night deal at Mall Georgia Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. I'm with Courtney, who just got a brand new Anvil Rubicon Wrangler. How's your experience here today?
Absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend Trey enough. He's been incredible.
Yeah, insane. So good. Best car buying experience ever.
Would y'all recommend me to your friends or your family?
1000%.
Yeah, absolutely.
All
For
right.
sure.
Y'all heard it.